Next, take your bottom decorative straps and remove the paper from the tape and fold the long edges in towards the center. And I like to roll these with my seam roller, especially since this is a heavier vinyl than I'm usually working with, so it doesn't want to stick as much as my normal vinyl would. So we are going to take the bottom strap after you folded it and line it up with the bottom edge and line it also up with the drawn edge. And while it's sitting there, we're going to measure 3/4 of an inch up from the bottom of the main panel and just make a mark on the strap. Going across the strap. We're going to stitch over that line we just drew, attaching the bottom strap to the main panel at 3/4 of an inch up from the bottom. Make sure that you are not going over the edges of the strap with your stitches. Just stay within the edges of the strap. And next what we're going to do is trim off the bottom of that strap so it will stay out of the seam allowance at the bottom. Take one of your 3/4 inch rectangle rings and slide it over the top of the strap. And if you'd like to, just place a little piece of double-sided tape along the top of that strap. Remove the paper from the tape and fold the top of the decorative strap down to meet the bottom. We're going to be at an angle still because we're following that line that we drew. So you'll see here that this corner of the strap lines up with the bottom of the main panel. This one not so much, but only because it's at an angle. So what you want to do next is measure 1 inch down from the fold of the strap and make a mark across the strap. This is going to tell you where to pivot your stitches, and it's going to help your foot not to interfere with the hardware, because sometimes the hardware will interfere with your presser foot and make it so that your stitches don't come out evenly. So we made a mark 1 inch down from the top fold of the strap, and we're gonna start top stitching the strap from the bottom, come up to the line, pivot and go across, and then go back down. Due to a camera malfunction, I wasn't able to capture the installation of the rivet on the bottom strap. So what you do is measure 1/2 an inch above the horizontal stitch line where we made our mark across the bottom strap, and in the center of the strap place a dot for your rivet. Punch a hole through the bottom strap and the main panel where you placed your dot 1/2 an inch above the stitches, and set a rivet through your punched hole. Your bottom strap is now complete.